We bought an ex-Russian survival camp on 65 acres, and we've been clearing away the trees and debris to bring this back to life, and one day make it a home. At first, we had no idea this used to be a Russian survival camp, but every week more clues began to surface, from old flags to old photographs, this collapsed stage with a shed containing a chair and a cage. There's a full tactical arena, and even what we might believe is a memorial. Each week has revealed more of the forgotten past than we ever thought we would find. A few weeks ago, we put ourselves to the test with our survival skills, but this week, it's all about rebuilding. Skid steers rolled themselves forward.
A little unsettling, I do have to say.
Unfortunately, it happened to us today.
We found some things in here that we haven't seen.
It's concrete day! Like the majority of the property, this equipment shed behind us was used to store masks, guns, all kinds of things that they were using out here for their simulation and their games. And so we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna give it a facelift, and then we will be able to put everything in there so nice and neat for future Jazz and Crystal that are gonna be running around in the arena with friends, because the last few days has been so much fun. But right now, we're gonna start with clearing out all of the garbage, mice droppings, and everything else in there because it's really not looking good. It's pretty rotten, but we're gonna turn it around. My only thoughts are like there's probably mice behind the walls. Clearly. We always ask ourselves whenever we start a new project now, what are we gonna find this time?
We found some things in here that we haven't seen just by cleaning up. This photograph and this rope, a little unsettling, I do have to say. And then these, which look like crowbars, but they're plastic, so I think it's like some sort of fake weapon or something. Oh, frisbees?
Saw this the other day. All of these things were like, I think if you found them, like it says return to someone something or glitch for a reward, and they all say that on the bottom, which makes me think that these are all like things that were hidden or something, and if you got them or found them, it meant something.
What is that called? A treasure? A scavenger hunt.
Like a scavenger hunt, yeah, kind of. Yep, we're definitely gonna keep those, along with any other memorabilia that we find or have found.
Oh, I was done. And run. Nice.
We now have all the garbage from the inside outside, and we just have to tackle the porch. Unfortunately, the building is dilapidated, it's rotting, and animals have chewed through it. It's quite a bit of mold, but some things are just too cool to get rid of. So we have found some treasures, of course. But right now, we just got a call that Shedman will deliver our shed tomorrow. And that means we need to open up this road because we're gonna need a lot more height, about 12 feet, and a lot more width. There are two roads on the property. This one specifically is really long. It's probably like a kilometer long. And although we've done a pretty good job clearing it, there's still low-hanging branches like this one all along it. And so she's down there opening it up nice and wide, but I have to plant a little seed in her head because if we graveled this road, it would make it a lot easier to get down here for future projects, especially in the wet season and in the winter. What is Bear thing? You're funny, girl. Yes, it's Dwama. Oh, hi, Izzy. Ah! Holy smokes. Just a big cricket. I'm getting very excited because I'm using this time to brainstorm what I want to have in my tactical equipment shed. Definitely need a mini fridge. Like a fuel station too. Sorry, I thought I heard yelling. Okay, it looks like we've got ourselves into a pickle that we've never got ourselves into before. So apparently skid steers roll themselves forward sometimes, and unfortunately it happened to us today.
Like, it's not even a hill. Like, it's the tiniest little thing and it just, boom.
I was able to call a neighbor, and that's so awesome. Neighbors are awesome. So hopefully someone's gonna be able to help us because we couldn't even just get the machine started, which is not good.
That's so smooth. Yay. Hopefully it starts. Yeah. Wow. Oh, I was wondering that.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
That was so kind.
Man, that tractor handled that like a boss.
Oh, that was just so smooth. I was so nervous because the forestry mulcher is so heavy. Okay, let's finish this.
Last little bit. I'm gonna do this again because I can't let that scare me from ever doing this ever again. So I think the best thing you can do when you get scared is to do it again.
We're back in action. There is never a dull moment around here. Wow, I knew skid steers could flip, but I thought you had to be on a hill or something. I'd love to know how that happened, but happy to be clearing again. While watching Jazzy clear the trail, I'm just taking a look around and seeing how beautiful everything is here. Such a perfect little evening. Mom's working, we're enjoying the sundown. There's so much to love about this place.
I made it to the end of the road!
Woo!
It looks so good!
It looks amazing. Good job.
Thank you. I'm just gonna go clean up my mess now because I haven't picked up any brush. So I'm just gonna go right side all the way there and then I'll come left side back.
And then you're done.
Yeah.
High five.
As you all know, we have 65 acres. That is a lot of land. So we need portable power stations. And that's why we're so thankful for the sponsor of this week's video, EcoFlow. It's really hard to get power in the back 40, but not with a portable power station. It makes it so easy. It's so small and compact and powerful.
You can run a fridge, you can run a microwave. In our case, we can run tools, charge batteries, and keep things going. Keep the things going.
You know when else it's really hard to get power? When there's power outages. And do you know what's happening all the time right now, everyone? It's
really
natural disasters.
Yeah. It's actually really sad. I feel like this year I've had friends reach out to me from Spain, down in Baja,
Brazil.
People without power in Ontario, in Canada. Just earlier this year with the winter storms, the wildfires in Nova Scotia, like I can keep going. So EcoFlow is saying, don't let power outages call the shots. They're introducing a whole new line. It's the Delta 3 series. The Delta 3 Classic gives you a super fast 1 kilowatt hour backup, charging to 100% capacity in just 45 minutes, making it good for short power outages or short trips. If you need something more powerful, double the capacity, the Delta 3 Max and Max Plus can run 99% of your home essentials.
I've learned you can never have too much power.
That's what I was gonna say.
So, we recommend the big one, obviously.
Yeah, that's the Delta 3 Ultra and Ultra Plus, which packs a 3 kilowatt hour with a 3,600 output capacity. And we have 5% off for you, valid until December 31st. And check out the Delta 3, their new series is powerful. Don't miss out on prime big day deals. Nice and straight.
With the old, in with the new. Best decision we ever made. Time to get rid of the old shed. But we need a few things.
If you can't hear Jazzy, she's saying, it's so muddy, we need a driveway. Yes, we do.
I didn't get as far as I wanted. We need to put all of the garbage onto the trailer and throw it in our bin. 3, 2.
Oh, we're talking.
What?
I guess we should put these on last.
To be quite honest. It's pretty wild to think about how much stuff was in that shed this entire 20-foot trailer is filled up. And what's even more wild to think about, there's a lot of these sheds on this acreage. Come on!
Save those tires for a later day. Well, the trash is clear, but the brush is certainly not. We're using our good friend the forestry mulcher to make a clear spot for our new shed. Time to prep the foundation.
What are we doing?
He hasn't heard me.
Either or, whoever knows how to speak English.
Go ahead, Val. Tell him. Tell him!
We are doing our first ever concrete pad. We've never done this before, and we are quite excited to do this. Cannot wait. Have really not the slightest clue how to do it, which I think is why I'm so excited to do this. Can't say this concrete pad is gonna be perfect. Can't say I'm gonna teach you what to do, but I'm gonna show you that maybe you can do it too. Do you wish we did new tool alert for a compactor? I watched a video that explained a concrete pad so well, especially how to get something square. I feel like we always measure corner to corner and put stakes in and do all this, but then you have to pull those stakes out before. But this one has you building your form first, putting the two sides in, and then just moving the end that's loose, and then you get it square so fast.
Let's say, because this was 5 inches out of square, so you split that in half and you pull half of that 5 inches, so 2.5 inches, the one corner, and then it's perfectly square on the other side, because you got to share that measurement between the two. Pretty cool, pretty cool, yeah, pretty cool. We're doing a concrete pad on uneven terrain. So we're gonna lift this side to match the highest point and then build up our form where there's gaps.
That way, your concrete pad is level. We're actually gonna give it a slight, like an 1/8 of an inch to go this way for runoff.
More on that side.
I always go diagonally.
Good thing is the concrete don't care. So all this wood that you're seeing is going to come off, and it's just going to be concrete pad in the end.
Our form is completed. Now we need to use the dirt that we have left to build up around the sides, because 3 inches dirt will hold the concrete. So that's what we're working on now.
I'm proud of our form.
She's in love with the form.
Okay.
No, that's my, don't dig out that here. Dig over here, right here, yeah, right here, dig. No, right here. Dig right here. Amazing, good girl. Thanks for keeping me.
You're barking orders, eh?
Forms are done. Now we're gonna put some gravel in the base.
I'm so proud of our concrete form. And I'm crossing my fingers that we've done a good job and the concrete stays in, because that's the goal. We've put earth all the way around it so that the wood doesn't move, and hopefully it doesn't seep under. But if you're good at concrete, you probably know if it's gonna be good or not. And if you have any tips for us, we'll take them, because there's so much to learn, and we may or may not be doing this correctly. We're doing it to the best of our ability, and I think I have all the tools we need, because the concrete people are coming tomorrow. I love it. It looks so good. I'm so happy with it.
Same. I also one day want to build a house from the ground up, and I think this is a good place to start.
Yep.
You?
It's got to be a good place to start.
Yeah, but I think with a house, you'd have to have a vapor barrier under here for like moisture and stuff.
Oh, there's a lot more you'd have to do.
Yeah, I know. Anyways, we need to reinforce it now. Do you remember how to say the R word? I put you on the spot, didn't I?
What? Oh, rebar?
Oh, she did it! Actually, one of you in the comments, because Crystal would always say rebar, rebar.
Rebar, rebar.
Rebar, rebar. And we never could remember what it was. Someone in the comments said just remember it as it reinforces the concrete, so it's rebar. Anyways, thank you to you. Do we have to tie these together or anything?
I don't think so. Everyone I saw do it didn't, but I don't know.
I thought the ones we got for our garden were bigger.
Right here, Jazz, that's 4 inches. The rest is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So
Yeah.
it's like it's very thick
True.
for what we're doing.
Yeah. And then just add the other, we can just add the other one over top. Like, who cares about cutting it?
That's what I thought too.
Now we're just waiting on concrete person.
Mañana.
I like it. Incredible.
I think it looks great. I hope it's good. Now we could stop there, but you've been around for a while, so you'll probably know we get really excited about our builds. So we decided to get a head start on the interior of the equipment shed.
Every equipment shed has a locker. We're going ham on this equipment shed. That's for you, neighbor.
I also picked this up on Marketplace for 20 bucks. And I'm very happy with that purchase. Probably one of my happier purchases lately. These stickers are definitely given high school. Skater girl. Wait, no, stop typing. We can all hear you typing through the screen. I have something to say. Pretty sure the best kind of hearing protection is any kind.
Yeah, you're right. Until they fall out of my ear in 5 seconds.
You don't know how to use these?
Yeah, are you getting? Yeah, you really squeeze them.
Go like this.
Yeah, I
And
know.
you squish them in and they blow up in your ear.
You're supposed to wait 5 minutes. Cameron taught me. Did you know?
Can't hear you. There we go. Much better. Let's just start with one. Okay.
I've already got 2 up. Nice.
Nice, eh?
So nice. Shoes off at the door now. Easy. Like so easy. And
Woo! She heavy.
there.
Damn! This is so satisfying to cut.
I know.
Oh my gosh. This is such nice flooring too.
I know. Score it. And then all you have to do is pull it. You always learn the tricks at the end of every job.
That was so satisfying to watch though. I love
amazing.
it. And just a few odds and ends to tie it all together.
Today is concrete day.
It's concrete day! And it's the first time for us.
Time for the tools of the week.
We had to get all of the concrete tools to be able to make this look like a good looking concrete pad.
We're told that this allows the forms to come off nicer once the concrete is dry. I just got a text saying concrete friend is having troubles getting down our driveway at the start, which is the easiest part. Everyone cross your fingers and your toes for us. I think this just means we need to build a driveway pretty soon. Yay!
How are you feeling?
Nervous.
I'm nervous too.
Change your footwear? Did you talk to him at all?
No.
Oh no? Okay, I was gonna wonder if he knows like we're a little amateur.
Oh, should I tell him?
Okay.
I'll tell him. Hi.
I'm gonna get out of there.
It's pretty tough. We were putting a driveway in tomorrow, and then in second thought I should have waited, but now here we are.
Oh well, all good.
Okay. I just wanted to let you know this is our first time doing this, so we're gonna try our best to be quick and take any tips you've got.
Take your time.
Okay.
You got to.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks.
All good.
Good luck. Maybe it doesn't go that way.
It does! I'm not strong enough! Watch, one-handed probably too.
Yeah, but I unlock it.
Oh!
Oh, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. We got the nicest guy, and now his truck is stuck in our freaking driveway, and he cannot get out. The worst thing that could have happened for him. Oh, I feel so bad.
I'm going to try to pull out concrete front because he's very stuck.
Jazz just got him out. A machine is good for everything. You need a machine for everything. No, 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 no.
Oh,
Get her off because it's not good for her paws.
Bella, come.
Bella, go. No, not come. Go. Back, back. Oh my God. Let's go. Off, off.
Oh.
We should wash her paws now. Okay, I'm gonna try and broom it.
Not bad for our first time.
We got a really, really nice driver, which I think made the experience because he was really patient, really helpful, really kind.
And guess what?
What?
He said he'd still come back.
That's a huge, yeah, that's huge.
I think we did pretty good for our first time.
I think so too.
And guess what?
What?
Our next pad will be even better because it's not that hard to top this one.
What do you mean by that?
Like, I don't think he's gonna get stuck next time, so I'll be there to help you.
Oh yeah, it'll be different to have all the hands on deck, on pad.
Moment of truth.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I really want to know what it looks like. It's been so many days. We found out that concrete actually takes 28 days to cure.
A big pad.
Yeah. Even this pad takes 28 days to cure.
Really?
Yeah, to its fullest capabilities, so you wouldn't want to drive anything heavy on it. However, a shed isn't heavy.
No.
So you're allowed to put a shed on in like 7 days, and that's how long it's been. You wanna do-
Wow.
Looks pretty good.
That looks really good, Jazz.
Are they all out?
All out.
Nice.
So, we've learned a lot. But yeah, the back
Perfect.
looks really good. The front, the part you see, not so good.
Not the full front, just the full front left corner.
Yeah, and that's the part that we did last, so it would have been even drier, and I think that's why it just didn't quite settle the same as it did up here. But I'm still very proud.
It works.
And it's still very strong.
Okay, now we need to move the shed on. Finally. I've been waiting for this day forever. We don't have a tractor because the tire has a nail in it. And we only have the dozer.
Machines, and more machines. We need more. The dozer, amazing. Really big though, and actually so hard to move this shed onto the pad because there's not a lot of space between the building and the pad and the forest line. So we're gonna try and take her down. What's your plan?
Hopefully pull this thing and get it out of the way without it breaking. I don't know if it'll work, but
You want to ask everyone to cross their fingers? Maybe call their friends and ask them to cross their fingers?
everyone.
It's a no-go. I don't think you can pull it. It's so rotten.
Now that we can see stronger parts of the building, like the joist, we are going to make a bunch of holes with our tiny little hole saw we have on hand right now and wrap our chains around them, and hopefully that will work.
Last try. We just pulled the building maybe 6 feet and we're giving up on pulling it. We may try to push it or just doze it down. But I'm now looking at the back of the building and it's so rotten. So let's see what Jazzy's doing. I'm thinking she's gonna go for the doze it option because it's Jazzy.
I think I made enough room for us to pull the equipment shed on the pad now. We'll get an excavator soon, clean that up. When we get a bin back here, it's just gonna be a little bit of an eyesore for right now.
We're so close, but this dozer is just not gonna get the shed on the pad. There's not enough room. We're told it weighs about 1,000 pounds, so let's fix the tractor tomorrow and try it with Clem. Like she just fully made the decision to have a sun bath.
That is so cute.
Oh, have a belly rub, Mom.
Oh my goodness.
I love my grass.
Oh my goodness.
And I brought the right shoes to change a tire. Clem has had it with us.
Oh yeah. Cool. Heavier than it looks. One step closer to getting the shed on the pad.
Just looks so good, like.
It's brand new.
Clem is back in business. Again. Okay, so now let's hope our tractor can finish the job. We have a few different ideas, but it looks like none of them are really working out that well. When all else fails, you gotta have a little fun.
I really felt like I was popping a wheelie higher than that. I think we're on idea number 3 of the day, and I think this is our last idea. We jack this up, we put like really strong pipe underneath it, then we can do the tire tractor push method and hopefully push it on, because it would roll.
It's all jacked up, the first pipe is under, and we're gonna use Clementine to roll the shed.
It didn't crack yet, at all, never gonna happen.
Yeah!
We're not even there yet, we're celebrating because it's moving.
It's moving. And we're close. Okay. Oh my gosh. It made it. I think you have to come pull it now and then we keep rolling. This is working incredibly well. Just about ready to give up.
One is loose, and I think the other ones are going to be much harder. Yes. I'll have to jack somewhere else for that one.
Wow! It actually looks so amazing.
It looks amazing.
Oh, it looks so nice in the trees too.
Right?
It's so cute.
We're rebuilding the camp one day at a time to our own.
Yay! Success.
Now we get to decorate.
Yay!
What did you do this morning?
Supply girl was busy.
So busy.
2,200 pounds.
And you know, everyone that knows the weight capacity on an F-150 is probably saying, Crystal!
No, wait. Or was it 1,200 pounds?
Either or, you're over limit.
Yeah, they've got to be like 60 or 70 pounds at least. Today's the day the tactical shed gets pulled together. We've been gathering everything we need for the interior and the exterior, and now it's time to bring it to life. Woo! I'm so excited about this.
I cannot wait.
I feel like a kid again.
Nice. Beauty? Your face says it all. Sick. Yeah! Wow! Oh, right off the teeth!
Plants are in. That was fun for the whole family, not just us. And the auger and the digging and the planting and making it all beautiful. But for Bella, Bella's having a great time. Holy.
This tactical shed is gonna have the nicest garden we've ever done. This time, we're not forgetting anything. We're even using the landscape border. So all you do is you bend it and then you nail it wherever you want it. It's so simple.
Sick. So easy. Like I
feel like
I just imagine this would be so much harder.
I always feel fancy gardens have it.
Yeah. That's such a nice rock, Jazz.
Thanks, pulled it out of the ground.
Looks so good.
I like it. Mulch.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so good. Wow, I could roll around in that. It smells so good.
Very first concrete pad we've ever poured, and our very first equipment shed.
And camp is open.